Super quick video on the last part of the note, guys. It's coming up with equations. And again, the key is to remember that we have this as our base. A is the initial value, B is the growth rate or decay, and then X will be your point. So what you do, real simple, is you want to know what the A is, and you can't get any easier than this. You just go and you find out initial value. So the initial value is the value of the y-intercept. So it's where x is 0. So if we were to graph this guy's coming down like this. It's whatever that is. So if you have a graph, it's whatever that value is right there. Okay. If we graph this, we'd be at 0, 8. If you have a table of values, just find the x value 0 and find out what the y value is. So that's it. That goes there. Okay. And then what goes here is whatever the common ratio is. So I go from 16 to 8, that's half. I go from 8 to 4, that's half. That's it. That goes there. So if I had another table of values, let's say I had this, x and y, and I had this, and I went negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and I had 1, 3, 9, and 27, and I said come up with this equation. What you would do is you would say, let's start off here and go y equals, and the initial value is 3, and what's the multiple? What am I multiplying by each time? It's also 3, so that would go there, and then x would go there. So I'd have something like that. That's it. Very simple.